Hi, I'm Rebecca. This is a short video on voice user interface and how you can create a prototype with voice commands in Adobe Xd. Typically, you can find this type of interface on AI devices such as the Google Home, the Apple HomePod, or the Amazon Echo. So you can see here, I've got two different versions of the Echo, and you can really create a prototype for any of them. You just use the artboards to create your visuals in the design mode. You can toggle between the two up here in the top left corner. So you can see in design mode, I've added an image of an Amazon Echo. I've put in our logo over here, and on this artboard I've put in the Amazon show, and I've added some screens to that. And what I've done is actually wire up a journey where I could go to either of those demos. From this kind of home screen, basically there's different voice commands that will take me on each path. So I'll just give you a quick demo of that. You can see this element here. I've wired up to the Echo screen down here, and you can see my voice trigger command is demo Amazon Echo, and on my background here I have a different command and it's just demo Amazon show. So really easy to correct, just like that. And I can go ahead and show you. You can just hit this play button in the top right corner. So that opens up the preview mode here. I'll just go ahead and make that full screen. Now all I have to do is hold down the spacebar whilst I say the voice command. Demo Amazon Echo.
Hey girl, how are you today?
It really is that simple. And if I decide from here, because I've already wired in kind of a loop, if I decide, oh no, actually I want to go the other way, upgrade to Amazon show.
Hi Rebecca, what can I do for you?
See, it's really that easy. So now let me show you how to do all of that with the speech playback. So when I went to upgrade, you can see I've got the link with the voice command attached to this image of the device here. And you can see that just creates the transition to this artboard over here. Now if I select the artboard, not a layer, the actual artboard by selecting the name, you can see there's a little blue handle here that doesn't go anywhere. Now if I select that, you can see I've actually applied a time trigger with a 0-second delay. Now there's automatically sort of a second delay or half a second delay before it will do the speech playback, just because that's part of the transition. And you can see that this is the voice playback message that we heard. Now, I'm going to keep going through this journey because it's not quite finished. So on my command here, I want Alexa to take me to the Clerk and Green website. Our connected store has upgraded. You know, they're integrated with Alexa now, and I want to do some shopping. So you can see I've got the command and I come to the website. Now, what I need to do is add the speech playback. So I can hit the artboard and you get this handle with this arrow here. So select that, put it on a time trigger, and then whatever you want the speech playback to say, you can just paste in there or type in, either or. I've got a pre-written script, so I knew what I wanted it to say. Now, for me to then continue my journey, what I'm actually going to do is select my background. I could select any one of the layers, but since this is the Amazon show device that you might actually tap on the screen for part of the demo, I'm tying it to the background because you'll see in the layers list here, that's the very back layer. So even if I interacted with something on the front, it wouldn't conflict. So you can see this grey handle. I'm going to pull that down to that artboard. I'm going to put in the voice command. It's her birthday. Oh, I know. She's seen this all over Instagram and she keeps saying she really wants a Dyson Airwrap. Easy, right? So, now I need a picture of that actual page. So I've got a screenshot that I took earlier, and I'm just going to drag that into my shape that I'd already set ready. So you see it really is that easy. And now I've said, okay, take me to this screen, and this screen, I'm going to click on the artboard in prototype mode, See my little handle, click on that. Going to be a time trigger. And the speech playback will say this. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, just add in a bit of conversation. So I've gone to this artboard, we're going to add in a few responses. Let's give her a sense of humour. So then we're going to go to the next screen. Great, we're going to place our order, and Alexa is going to ask us how we would like to pay. And I think, because it's all about that points life, we're just going to go and use our Amex bonuses all round. And let's finish this off. Great. Right, so let's give this a go. I'm going to select my artboard. So what I've done, you can see now that I've set this to home. So wherever you want your prototype to start from, you simply select the artboard and click on this little house icon, which means that when you play it, that's always going to be the first screen that is shown.
Hi Rebecca. What can I do for you?
Alexa, take me to clerkandgreen.com.
Welcome to Clerk and Green. I see it's your sister's birthday soon. Would you like to buy a gift?
Yes, please. Show me the Dyson Airwrap.
Okay, here is the Dyson Airwrap. Would you like to proceed with the purchase?
Do you think my sister would like this as a present?
Tina would love this and it would tame her frizzy hair.
Okay, please place the order.
Would you like to pay with your Amex or Barclay card?
Amex, please.
Done. Delivery estimate is Thursday, 1st November.
Thanks, Alexa. What's the weather like tomorrow in London?
No problem. It's my job. Tomorrow it will be a typical rainy day in London.
Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. I will be sharing the template file, but if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.